Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Butler Automation in Trello to save time and streamline repetitive tasks. Start by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. Click the login button at the top right and sign in. Once logged in, open the Trello board you want to work with. On the top right of your board, click Automations to access Butler. Next, click on Buttons. This section lets you create a button that will execute your defined actions automatically. Inside the Buttons menu, click Create Button. Then click Add Action to choose what tasks the button should perform. You can move cards, add labels, create checklists, and more. After selecting your action, fill in any required details so Butler knows exactly how to perform the task. This ensures your automation is precise and effective. At the top of the page, type a descriptive title for your button. Choose a name that clearly explains what the button does. Finally, click Save to activate your button. Your new automated button will now appear on the board and perform the defined actions whenever clicked. And that's it. Using Butler Automation helps you save time and focus on more creative and strategic tasks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips, and I'll see you in the next video.